Hello everyone, welcome back to the Git series. In this previous video, we learned what is Git and how to push our code to GitHub. In this today's video, we will learn some of the most commonly used Git commands that every developer uses daily. We will understand Git status, Git add, Git commit, Git log. First, I will explain each command and then we will see it practically. So, what you have learned so far? What is Git? A distributed version control system to track code changes. Push to GitHub. Connect local repository and push code to the remote repository. Master the 4 commands you will use every single day. Let's start with the first command, Git status. The Git status command is used to check the current status of the repository. It tells us which files are modified, which files are new, which files are ready to commit, and which files are not tracked by Git. Whenever you are working on a project, this is usually the first command you run. Let's check the status of our project. This is our project. Here you can see today's new blog is showing here. So now we will change this today's new blog. We'll update this. We remove the today's from here. We will save this file. Here we can see Git is showing the current changes in our project. After making the changes in our code, Git knows that the file has changed, but it does not automatically include it in the commit. For that, we use the git add command. The git add command moves our changes from the working area to the staging area. Think of the staging as selecting the changes that we want to save. For that, the command is add and the specific file name, like the git add and our file name. Suppose we want to add the all files, then that time we will use git add and dot. Now let's add our changes. Now check the status again. Now Git shows these files are ready to be committed. Now our changes are staged. The next stage is to save these changes permanently. For that, we use a git commit. A git commit creates a simple snapshot of our code at a specific point. For that, the command is git commit -m and our message. The message should describe what changes we made. For example, git commit -m change the title, or git commit -m fix the neighbor issues. Let's create our first commit. Now our changes are saved in a Git history. Now, how do we see our previous commits? For that, we use a git log. It shows the complete history of commits. Command the git log. You can see commit ID, author, date, commit message. For a cleaner view, developer usually use git log -- oneline. Let's check our commit history. So, the normal Git workflow is: first, make changes in code. Second, check changes using the git status command. Then third one, add changes. For this, we will use git add and then dot. The next step is save changes using the command git commit -m and in our message. Then next, to check history, we will use git log --oneline. This is the workflow you will use every day while working with Git. In the next video, we will learn Git branches, how developer works on multiple features, and how to manage code safely without breaking main code. Thank you for watching.